Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland and look at this beautiful mutton curry. This is the close-up look and I can't wait to show you how to make this very easy, very simple mutton curry. So let's get going with the ingredients. So I'm going to show you how to make the easiest and quickest and of course delicious mutton curry. And let's get started with the ingredients. So the great thing about this recipe is you do not have to have any kind of puree ready in advance. These are all the ingredients and it's a very quickest pressure cook style mutton curry. Here we go. These are the ingredients. This is about 2 pounds of mutton. I just got it, so I'm going to wash it 3 times and add some, like once you drain the water, just add some salt and turmeric. Just keep it for 5 to 10 minutes and then wash it again. So that's about it for this. So this will be ready to cook. Two roughly chopped tomatoes, half a cup of yogurt, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. This is freshly made ginger garlic paste. We're gonna try to make it fresh so that your mutton curry will be just amazing. About half a cup of coriander, roughly chopped. 2 large onions, thinly sliced, as you can see here. Let's move on to the dry ingredients. These are whole spices. We need about half a cup of oil, and these are all dry spices. Some salt to taste. Again, I've taken about 1 tablespoon. This is coriander and cumin powder, about 2 tablespoons. Half a tablespoon of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. This is about 1.5 tablespoons of garam masala, and of course for that extra flavor we need kasuri methi, which is about 1 tablespoon of fenugreek leaves. So these are all the ingredients and we just need pressure cooker. That's it. Let's get started. Earlier I have thoroughly washed the mutton for about 2 minutes and twice, and then added some salt and turmeric. I'm going to mix it and keep it for about 5 to 10 minutes. As I said, we are going to pressure cook this mutton. Let's heat up the pressure cooker, add some oil. As I said, I need more oil, about half cup. Alright, so let's get going. Let's add everything. And let's add 2 large thinly sliced onion. You have to saute it really well because that's the key to the great mutton curry. Alright, in about 2 minutes the onion is translucent now, as you can see. I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. I freshly made this one. Mix it well, cook it for 2-3 minutes. So in about 15 minutes, you see this onion is now turning brown, and that's the key, that to get a great taste to the mutton curry, we need to saute this onion for about 15 minutes. That's the only painful part about this recipe, but rest all is so easy. So let's add all the spices: salt, turmeric, coriander and cumin powder, red chili powder and garam masala powder, of course some kasuri methi. Let's add all here. Very easy from now on. Mix it well. Add 2 roughly chopped tomatoes. I'm going to mix it well and cook it for about 5 minutes. Cook this tomato thoroughly. Now I'm going to turn the heat to low and add some yogurt. So I have taken half cup of yogurt. Turn the heat to low and mix this yogurt really well. Make sure it's evenly cooked. Add some coriander now. I'm going to keep some of it for garnishing, of course, but this is for flavor. Mix it well. About 3 to 4 minutes till the time you see the oil is oozing out from the sides. And then we are going to add mutton. As you can see, the oil is oozing out from the sides. This is the perfect time to add mutton. So as I said, I washed the mutton and just added salt, some salt and turmeric powder. Let's add it. Right, added 2 cups of hot water. To get the mutton really cooked nicely, we add hot water instead of just cold water because it takes the cooking process longer. So as I said, it's quick and easy, fastest mutton you ever make. 15 minutes. So make sure you have 4 whistles and then you have to turn it low to about 10 minutes. 15 minutes, this is how it looks, and garnished with the coriander. So this is the mutton curry totally ready. You can have it with roti, paratha, or simply with cooked rice. That's it. Wait to eat this delicious mutton curry. Very easy, very simple to make, as you have seen. So thanks for watching this recipe and thanks for visiting Foodland. And as always, if you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to see such interesting recipes. I make sure that the recipes are easy and of course one of our favorites. So let's see if it's cooked or not. I'm sure it is cooked. Let me grab one piece right here. And as you can see, look at this, how easily this came out. So just 4 whistles and simmer it for 10 more minutes, and that's it, guys. This is so easy to make. Give it a try and stay tuned for my next recipe.